Protect your home from home. Simple Caravan Insurance, sponsors of the Caravan Channel.
Phantom we go for 10 years, it's our 10th anniversary at the show, and we're here to introduce clients to products that they might not be aware of at the moment, but which we think are going to be a big part of the marketplace in the year or two to come. We've got an engine remapping product, which I think is going to revolutionise the marketplace, saving people fuel. When they're towing a caravan, they might not be aware of how much extra fuel they're using, and I think we can make a real money-saving difference for them. We also have tyre protection products, satellite systems, tracking units, anything that requires a professional fit or is a bit cutting edge we like to be involved in. We like to find products that are going to be of use to clients and represent good value for money. We don't mind spending a bit of time and a bit of our own money to find them, develop them and bring them to market. One of the reasons we're here today is to show these products, get some feedback, and then when we come to market in a big way, we know we're doing the right thing. Today we're focusing on the engine remapping. We brought along some iPads which enable us to show the client what miles per gallon, what engine remapping is going to do for them, an increase in brake horsepower, an increase in torque, power delivered to the road, and it gives us an opportunity to tell them how engine remapping works, because I'm not sure many people know. For instance, the fact that by increasing the power output of the engine through taking off the restriction that the manufacturer places there in the first place, not only do they get more power, but they also get more miles per gallon, because the engine's not labouring, it's not working as hard to do the work that it used to do.
Mark came to Caravan Talk wanting to find independent, honest, reliable information. And Caravan Talk is a website run by caravanners for caravanners. So we decided to run a tow car poll where you state what tow car you've got, what caravan you've got, your towing miles per gallon and your solo miles per gallon, the two crucial factors to say what's the difference when I actually tow. Because when you do start to tow, the figures fall dramatically. So far the initial results are that towing a caravan will cut your fuel efficiency from anywhere between 20% to 50%, some cases much, much more.
We're using that data because we want to be able to give a system to a dealer, for instance, that enables them to go to it, press on the car, press on the type of caravan and know the figures exactly. This is what you are losing in fuel by towing that caravan. I think it's important that we supply clients with real data. Let's look at some of the concerns that people can have with regards to engine remapping. It used to be thought, and perhaps some people still do think, that it's going to invalidate a warranty. Well, European legislation states that anybody can work on your engine as long as they don't do it harm. So as far as invalidating your warranty is concerned, it will never invalidate your warranty. Will it cause any problems? We've not found that to be the case so far, and we've done a good few hundred already. If it did cause a problem, what would we do about it? Well, we carry what's called efficacy insurance, and that's an expensive form of insurance, but it enables us to pay back £10 million worth of equipment, money, new engine, whatever might be required, should something go wrong. Though I hasten to add, we're not doing this to cause people problems. If somebody wanted an engine remap done, they would simply pick up the phone to Phantom or send us an email. We would organise for one of our fitters to attend their home. He would come along with his computer and his equipment to plug into the OBD port. He would read the information that's on the ECU, keep a copy in case the client wasn't happy, and then that is sent over the air to our offices where it's reprogrammed, sent back over the air and injected into the ECU of the car. The process takes anything from an hour to an hour and a half.
So we've put it to our audience to see what they think of this, and they're still undecided about engine remaps. They don't really understand the full process, and we're trying to use this both as a sort of a tool for Phantom to develop the information they need, but also as a way of educating our members to say actually engine remaps are a really positive thing, because as Mark said, by increasing the torque and the power of your engine, you don't have to labour them so hard, and you can get much better efficiency. And some of our members are starting to realise that, and there have been some great debates about it on the forums.
It's £395, and what do they get? They get a better driving experience. When they're changing through gears, they will do so less often, and they will find that they're saving fuel.
So initial inspection of the data we've been taking says that the stats saying we're between 30 and 50% down on fuel economy when you're towing a caravan. Now, that's a lot of fuel, and with the current prices of fuel, you can easily make your money back in a year.
I'm expecting that with cost of fuel increasing all the time and never going to come down again, that people are going to save themselves money by using the engine remap situation. I think when it's out at dealers, when we've educated the public a little bit more about it, they feel more comfortable. It's going to be the thing of the future and hopefully the near future.